Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you a drink that I found on Difford's guide, and it's called Petite Bouche. Petite Bouche was created by Danny Wilson in a bar in Cambridge, England. The bar was called Tabouche. Danny says that he got a tendency to name drinks in the place he was working, and due to the simplicity of this one, he decided to call it Le Petite Bouche, or the small mouth in French. So let's get started with the drink and see how it turns out. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a highball glass. I have this Orefors Swedish crystal one, which I really like. And we're gonna fill the glass with ice. Since the glass is quite voluminous, I hope I will have enough ice, and then it will balance well with the liquid. Then the recipe calls for Suze. Suze is a gentian French liqueur. It's quite bitter, and I can kind of compare it to Campari in the bitterness feel you get. It's a really nice drink, and the recipe calls for 40 milliliters, which is ounce and a third, or yeah, it's basically 1 ounce and a third. And you have the characteristic yellow color of the Suze. Then the recipe calls for 20 ml or 3/4 of an ounce of Bacardi Carta Blanca white rum. Okay, and 3 dashes of Angostura orange bitters, and 90 milliliters of Mediterranean tonic. I don't have any particular Mediterranean tonic at the moment, but I have grapefruit and rosemary tonic, so that is what I will use today. And we gently pour. Then we take a straw and we stir gently. You can leave it like this, or you can garnish if you wish. For me, I'm gonna leave it as it is. And let's give it a try. Definitely I can feel the bitterness and the characteristics of the gentian from the Suze liqueur, but it's a good drink, so maybe for me next time I will make it with slightly less Suze and try to play with the ratios to see if I will be able to catch the rest of the ingredients. But as a general rule, if you like bitter forward drinks, I think you're gonna like this one. So thank you for watching, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.